upbeat music plays, welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop destination for making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam cleaners. Because if there's one thing we all can agree on, it's that a clean home is a happy home. And who doesn't want to impress their friends with sparkling floors and a fresh-smelling couch? So, let's get ready to rumble with the TVD Steam Cleaner and the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001. First up, let's talk about the price. The TVD Steam Cleaner is priced at $179, while the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001 is more budget-friendly at $139. Reviewers mention that for the price, Shark offers great value, especially for those who want a reliable cleaning tool without breaking the bank. On the other hand, some users feel that the extra features of the TVD justify its higher price, making it a worthy investment for serious cleaning tasks. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty: cleaning power. The TVD Steam Cleaner boasts a high-pressure steam cleaning system that reviewers have praised for its ability to tackle tough stains and grime, making it a great option for those looking for deep cleaning. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001 is known for its impressive scrubbing action, with over 150 scrubs per minute, which users say makes cleaning feel effortless and even enjoyable. Next, let's talk tank capacity. The TVD Steam Cleaner comes with a 52 ounces tank, allowing for about 50 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. Reviewers appreciate this feature, especially those who like to clean large areas without constant refills. In contrast, the Shark doesn't specify its tank capacity, but users note that it's more suited for quick cleanups, which may appeal to those who prefer shorter cleaning sessions. Now, let's discuss versatility. The TVD Steam Cleaner is praised for its ability to handle everything from floors to wallpaper removal. Some reviewers were pleasantly surprised by its multi-use capabilities. However, the Shark Steam and Scrub is specifically designed for sealed hard floors, and users love its effectiveness on wood and tile. If you have specific needs, your choice will depend on what surfaces you plan to clean. Finally, let's look at design and features. The TVD Steam Cleaner features a long power cord and a steam hose for hard-to-reach places, which many users find helpful. On the other hand, the Shark Steam and Scrub comes equipped with LED headlights to reveal hidden dirt, a feature that users appreciate for its practicality. However, some reviews point out that if you need headlights to find dirt, it might be time to rethink your cleaning habits. Overall, reviewers seem to appreciate both steam cleaners for their unique strengths. The TVD Steam Cleaner is often highlighted for its powerful cleaning capabilities and versatility, while the Shark Steam and Scrub is favored for its ease of use and effectiveness on hard floors. Each has its loyal fans, making the choice depend on your specific cleaning needs. So after all this steamy debate, which one should you choose? If you want versatility and a longer cleaning session, TVD might be your best bet. But if you're more about those quick cleans and targeted scrubbing, then Shark could be your cleaning partner in crime. Remember, no matter which one you choose, your floors will thank you, and your guests will wonder if you hired a professional cleaner. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our product comparisons. And drop a comment below. What's your favorite cleaning hack? Until next time, keep it clean and buy smart.